we wipe it with, and we put a little bit of water, and then important na ang gagamitin mong tissue for wiping is skin wipes para hindi malagasgas yung surface. And usually dapat clean siya lagi para the equipment will last long. Okay? So to view the gel, you have to remove the casting tray. Mas maganda din if ipantay mo yung gel mo para when you view it, hindi siya tagilid-tagilid. Okay, so if wala na sa loob.
Pwede rin.
Sige, ayan. So, okay. So, then we just open the software. Ayan siya. And then, preview. Ayan. Ayan na. Nalaman na natin ang katotohanan. So, di ba, one natin, wait lang. So, pwede natin capture ko na. Ano yung flashlight? Yes. So, you can increase the brightness and the contrast. So, as you can see here, so, di ba, this is our ladder and the first lane. Tapos, yung first two are what? There's samples. Pero may meron naman eh. Hindi lang siya sobrang isang ganda ng positive control na as you can see, yung positive control has ladder. Diba, we expect the lamp results to have a ladder like very smooth here. Yeah. So this is the ladder, diba? DNA 1, DNA 2, positive, negative. Right? Tapos yung... Paano? Oh, ayan. Sige, capture natin. Para makita natin ito. So, we'll capture this. Kung saan siya magsisave sa flash. Kukuha siya ng iba't ibang contrast levels. Ipili ka na ng date. Okay.